Lyrics sang arranged and composed by Marlon Antonio Macalino Pareño. Song title Carigara Leyte Baricogon, Carigara Leyte, Manila, Philippines. Song title Baricogon, Carigara Leyte, Manila, Philippines. Regards to all Pareño and Macalino around the world, wishing you all the best, special to my family. Pinatok Galileo Pareño, Seba Macalino Pareño, Melissa Macalino Pareño, Mel Victoria Macalino Pareño, Alan Antonio Macalino Pareño, Mi Dino Pareño, Dana May Pareño, Jim Sawen Pareño, Shanayan May Pareño, Shane Marie Pareño, Sean Robert Pareño, Shane Robert Pareño, and I'm San Gabriel Jimats, Iris Alumni, Barangay Elias Black 3, Black 21, Jerome Mariana Alcans, Kapitid Manila, Philippines. Hi also to in regards also to Danny Isabel J. Slabra, Marbe Obalan, Anissa Macalinaw, Siren Macalinaw, Joel Macalinaw, Maylin Macalinaw, Badi Macalinaw, Uncle Badi Macalinaw, yung tapos Darwin Obalan, Melvin Subalan, Rebater, tapos Danny Macalinaw, Anissa Macalinaw, Al Macalinaw, Ian Macalinaw, Iyong Macalinaw, Arlene Arito, Stephen Arito, their parents and their parents, tapos Jeffrey Macalinaw, to all Yagumyum clan, Narito clan, Dito clan, to all Waray and Ligenya, tapos kay Quintana, Holito Quintana, kay Macalino Quintana, Holito Macalino Quintana, Ani Iboy Macalino Quintana, kay Karin Quintana, Daday Quintana, tapos Nerissa, tapos Karen Macalina Quintana, tapos Jesse Boy, Jonathan Efren Chayan, tapos Ito Ashley Quintana, Samantha Quintana, tapos Bel Macalinaw, tapos Dadali Macalinaw, Felix Macalinaw, tapos si Poblador, Joshua, tapos Ashley, Hana Austria, Hana Macalina Austria, Mark Joshua Macalino Austria, Belden Macalina Austria, Beta Macalina Pasquale, best friend Kulits Pasquale, si Brian Still makalinaw around the world. Tibet, makalinaw. Assam, makalinaw. Then, this history and values. It's public. Ay makalinaw. Around the world. Chico makalinaw. Nesta makalinaw. All these stories. Ay makalinaw. Walls makalinaw. All pa rin na makalinaw. Wishing you all the best. I hope I can come back soon in Caldara Leyte. I enjoyed my stay and my vacation. I enjoyed it a lot. For me, it's the best vacation ever I ever had. It's fun. It's like you said, they're very lucky. They're all in good shape. Our relatives there, they're all in good shape. So, and there's a lot of makalinaw here in Caldara. In Leyte. So, that other relatives. So I enjoy it a lot. They're in good health. Hope I can come down. The river, the people, plus the greens, the fruits and veggies, the animals, carabao, it's so beautiful in my eyes. It's a master. If I'm a painter, I can say I did have a lot of masterpieces, a lot of beautiful views. Caldara, and the Bolivar Church, very beautiful. It's awesome. It's like #1 around the world. This been maaaring tayong makalinaw pa rin news and bayan sa lahat. Mabuhay to all. Song title again, Barry Cogan Caldara Leyte.